Alright, we are here at the Macy store at the Grease Ridge Center Mall in Rochester. Take a look at this. Got an original Montgomery to take a ride on. Look at that call button right there. It does have EPCO Circleline on the inside. It has a really good motor on it. No floor indicator. There's your capacity plate right there. Montgomery below the parallelogram. This is the second floor. Love that call button. Your fixtures. Get a view of the cab going back down. It's a pretty nice older elevator. Older Montgomery. Had that. Got a photo. Closing up. There it goes, and that's it.